mga bananas, yung nawawala ng mga subscribers. The word subscriber, just to be clear, okay lang yan mabanggit sa live stream. If you're encouraging people to be a subscriber, okay lang yan. Hindi nyo yan kailangan itago sa term na banana, saging, or whatsoever. Tell your audience to subscribe, it's okay. Tell your audience to subscribe to other viewers, it's okay. If you're using the word subscriber, it's okay. Yun yung pinaka-safest way to let the system or even people like us who's doing the review na you're just encouraging people to grow their network. Nothing in between, no hesitation, no gray areas, just a straight up statement na you're just encouraging people to grow. Now, kung ang tanong nyo ay bakit nalalagasan, I think this is where the ninja term comes in. Kasi every month, hindi siya quarterly, hindi siya yearly, but literally every month, may dedicated team, and I'm part of that team, who is focusing on making sure na legit ang mga subscribers. Kasi if everyone's allowed to encourage people to be a subscriber or so, we're okay with that as long as legit yung subscribers na nakadikit sa inyo. And by legit, we're talking about ninjas na newly created, walang video, walang ibang sinusundan, and it's just for spamming. And our system is already designed to filter both ninjas and dormant accounts. So you may even ask, Zeddy, what's dormant account? Ito yung mga, sabihin na natin, noon pang created account, hinog na kung hinog, marami nang nasubscribean, marami nang napanood na video, but suddenly it stopped functioning. Wala itong kahit anong activity, wala itong uploads, wala itong views, wala itong likes na ginawa for at least a couple of months or so, and it will be red flagged as dormant. And sadly, if it's gonna be red flagged as dormant, kahit anong isubscribe nyo, it won't be counted. It can look like subscribe ka, let's say ako ninja ako, my channel will be subscribed to, let's say, Pinoy Angels. Sa point of view ko, I am subscribed to Pinoy Angels, but on our system, it won't be counted as a subscribed channel. So ganun siya mangyayari. Ganun nalalagas in general ang mga subscribers or bananas natin. So the way you prevent it is to make sure that you're watching an actual video. If possible, the whole duration of a video. You need to hit like, subscribe, notification bell, and there's gonna be no reason for it to die down.
What will be your advice, Boss Seth, for those who are doing the paangat program? What is the right way? Yeah.
Bawal na sabihin ng paangat? Bawal na bang i-title ang paangat?
Okay, straight up answer, hindi siya fake news. The word paangat is already red flagged on our system.
Oh my God!
Making friends is okay. Yeah, making friends is okay. Let's grow your channel. And this is gonna be one of my titles or my tags in the future. How to grow your channel with friends. That's a commonly used title for other paangat programs, so to speak. So that's something that you guys can use, play around with it. I saw some other channels na gumagamit na ibang terminology. Let me shout out with Rain Bell. She's using a different terminology. When they're already subscribed or newly subscribed to a channel, they're using other terminologies. Let's not overthink things like yung bananas ticket is it's okay to use that, but as long as you keep it simple, keep it smart, keep it easily understandable by the system and people reviewing it, hindi naman siya kailangan sobrang iiwas eh. Yun ang totoo. If you're gonna use the word subscribe, just use the word subscribe. Here, let me share my point of view kung bakit ko siya ginagawa. Maraming reason. Una, I can be patriotic and say I want to help my fellow people, fellow Filipinos. I can be patriotic in saying that. But I can simply say na gusto ko lang bawasan yung trabaho din namin. Imagine this. I'm already tired of terminating Filipino channels.
Oh my God! Marami yan.
That's a regular routine for me.
Wow.
Yung mga nag-a-apply ng napakarami kong inapprovean when it comes to membership, yung mga yung mga join button.
Nakisama po si Sarah, si Arlene.
So ang dami namin tinulungan ma-approve yun kahit hindi naman dapat. Obviously, hindi naman namin yung requirements pero ina-approve namin yung mga monetization issues na ang daming issues at the back end. Ang dami na nating friends from Pinoy Angels Group and the JM's Group na alam nyo yun, may mga minor issues that may prevent them to get monetized but we're already resolving that prior to the issue happening. May mga borderline na muntik na nag-apply na ng monetization. Alam ni JM to, may borderline na nag-apply siya ng monetization knowing na may issue. It's about to get declined pero nagawan pa natin ang paraan about it. And ang pinaka main goal ko dito is, again, I have the knowledge and YouTube, Google, is not preventing us to create our own channel. Hindi nila kami pinipigilan to share our own knowledge. Actually,